Can you get a divorce if your spouse is incarcerated or in jail behind bars? Hello everybody, my name is Daniel WIAFE and this is
Natalie Martinez,
and we are with
Vegas Divorce Pros in Las Vegas.
Woo! The #1 divorce preparation firm in the city. Now, we are giving out free 15-minute phone consultations. Go to the link that's right below our finger. There you go, right there, right in between Natalie's hands. All right, or you can go to the link that's above or below this the description of this video, and you can set up your free 15-minute phone consultation. Okay, and as always, you guys, with all of our videos and all the content on our website, none of the information on this video shall be construed as legal advice. We're not attorneys. We're registered legal document preparers, okay? But as we said at the top of this video, we are going to talk about, can you get a divorce if your spouse is incarcerated, okay?
Can we?
Can we? Yes. Now, Natalie, you were dealing with somebody that was going through that scenario, right? One or two people?
Yes,
Okay.
We had a couple of clients with that same situation. Came to us and asked us, how can I serve my husband who is in jail? Or how can I get him to sign or joint petition?
Okay. And like, give us a little bit more background on it. Like, what did you tell them? What happened?
Well, my first instinct was, yes, we can. We can go, we can deliver the papers, have the signature, and notarize it right there and then. But now with COVID, the situation is totally different since all jail, counties, court is closed to the public.
Mm-hmm. So what pathway or game plan did you take with that?
Okay.
That's what the people want to know.
Yes. The only people right now who is allowed into jail are attorneys, or if you go directly to their chaplains and give them the packet, they will make sure that the person there signs and then they return the packet back to us.
That's great. That's great. And so basically, you guys, just breaking down what Natalie said, you guys, it depends on whether you're wanting your spouse to sign the papers or if you're just serving them the papers, okay? So let's pretend like you're going to get your spouse to sign the papers, okay? Now, we're going to do, well, you're going to want to do a joint petition, which we can help you out with, okay? Or you can do it yourself. We don't recommend you do it by yourself because you don't want to get your documents kicked back. But anyways, that's a whole nother video, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what you'll do is a joint petition divorce. Have the documents sent over to whatever institution, jail, or correctional center, prison that your spouse is at. Okay, if they're in prison, that's probably a good reason why
you want to get divorced.
Yeah,
Yes.
you know, hey, I'm married to a jailbird. Said nobody ever, right?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah. So, anyways, send the joint petition over to the prison. Okay. Now, it really kind of depends. Again, like Natalie said, as we record this video, it's still during COVID and things are pretty crazy. It's December 2020 right now, almost New Year's. Woo! So hopefully 2021 will be much better than 2020.
Yay.
Yay. All right. But send the documents down to the courthouse so you can have a lawyer go down there, or a process server, or a sheriff. But it's typically an easier process to have a process server go down to the courthouse and deliver the papers. And the papers will be delivered to a chaplain or somebody down there. Usually, sometimes in some correctional centers, they have the I don't want to say the librarian, but the
staff.
The staff. What's the name of the person down there, Alex? Look,
I don't know.
I don't know. Somebody that deals the administrative assistants,
staff.
okay? But when you call the courthouse, I'm sorry, the jail or the correctional center, you guys, the person that handles all that, they're always known by different titles and names, okay? And if you ask them, hey, I have a husband, a wife, and I want to give them the divorce papers to have him or her sign, the people that answer the phones will direct you to the right person, okay? And usually what will happen is get the documents out to that person and they will call the inmate out there to sign and notarize the documents, okay? Now let's go from the scenario that your spouse is an idiot, which If they're in jail, they
Probably is.
yeah, probably is, right? I'm
Yeah.
not gonna say nothing, you know. But if you're going to serve
No
them,
judgments.
yeah, no,
Don't
totally no judgments, no judgments. You know, crime does not pay, does it? Maybe we're in the wrong business.
Yeah, I don't think so. We're here to divorce you.
It only pays if you don't get caught, right?
Yes.
I'm just saying. Okay, but anyways, that went down a dark path. So what you want to do is, if we're doing a complaint, you guys, you can actually serve the papers and give it to the person that is in charge, that actually collects those documents, the legal documents for the prisoners and the inmates. Again, every prison, jail, correctional center has that person, okay? And then that person will sign off as receiving the documents, okay? Now you definitely need to have a licensed process server or a sheriff serve the papers, okay? And they're going to fill out what's called an affidavit of service, okay? And the person who works at the prison is going to accept that. And then once that person accepts that, then the 20-day period for your spouse to respond back if they wish to contest it will begin, okay? I've been in this business for 12 years, okay? And wow, that's a long time.
It is.
It is. That's why I lost all my hair, all the stress that you guys put me through, okay? But I love it, all right?
Woo.
Now, woo!
Woo! Yeah, we love it, people.
Don't listen to her. She's excited, all right? But the thing is, you guys, I have never, ever seen a spouse file an answer, okay, or a counterclaim to a complaint that will serve to them in prison, okay? Have you?
I have not, actually. We already divorced 2 of them, and 2 out of 2 did not answer. So
That's good, you know? Natalie's like swinging 100%. Boom! Right out the field. Now, the thing is, in order for your spouse to respond, you guys, they're going to need to file an answer and counterclaim. So they're going to need to have the proper paperwork, and then they're going to need to pay a $217 court filing fee in order to answer it, okay? And in most cases, you know, if they're in prison or jail, they got bigger problems than you getting a divorce from them, okay? So anyways, that being said, anything else we should address, Natalie?
I don't think so. I think everything is out there. All the information is there. Guys, just give us a call if you have any more questions. Phone number down below, link down below, or up here, or there, or anywhere. Yes.
Oh, that's a nice robot you did. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. Go to the link and we will help you. Peace and God bless y'all.